Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So we will be continuing our topic lecture 2 trigonometric identities. So we learned in the previous video lecture 1 trigonometric identities like sine theta over cos theta is equals to tangent theta. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. And the reciprocals of sine, cos and tangent. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant theta, which is abbreviated as Csc, cosecant. And reciprocal of cos is abbreviated as secant, Sec, secant. So Sec for secant and Csc for cosecant. And reciprocal of tangent is cotangent theta. So short form for cotangent theta is cot. So we know that tangent theta is equals to sine over cos. Therefore, we can write that cot, the reciprocal of this, will be flipping this, right? So we write cot theta is equals to cos theta over sine theta. So we will be making use of these trigonometric identities again over the few of the examples. So now the example starts as question 1, tangent theta plus cotangent theta is equals to secant theta and cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is Csc, secant theta is Sec. So we will take left hand side and say tangent theta is nothing but sine theta over cos theta, and cot theta is nothing but cos theta over sine theta. We learned that, right? And we have to prove that this left side is equals to right side. So sine theta over cos theta, in between is plus. So we have to take the LCM of these two. So that will be cos theta and sine theta. So if we divide, so this denominator goes and divide here. So cos cancels, sine is left, sine goes in the top, sine is square theta. Plus sine cancel, left is cos goes over top, so cos is square theta. And we use this identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So I am left with 1 over cos theta and sine theta. So now I can see that 1 over cos theta, if I see this 1 over cos theta, right? So 1 over cos theta is secant theta. So I can write secant theta. And 1 over sine, this part, is cosecant theta, so Csc theta. And I can see that this is my right side. So left side, we prove that left side is equals to right side. So Ls is equals to Rs, right? So we proved it. So we make use of these trigonometric identities to solve the different questions. So example 2, let's say cot theta sec theta is equals to cosec theta, right? So all the identities are on the top in the red, you can see, and then we will be make use of those identities to get left hand side equals to right hand side. So cot theta can be written as cos theta over sine theta, right? Dot in between is multiplication. Sec theta can be written as 1 over cos theta. And we have to prove that it is equals to cosecant theta. So now we can see that cos theta cancels. Now left over is 1 over sine theta. And 1 over sine theta, you can see that it is equals to cosecant theta. So that means this is my right hand side. Right side. So my left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we proved that it is okay, right? We can make several questions like this for practice so that we know that what trigonometric identity we have to use. Now we move on to the other question. Hope you understand this question, right? So sometimes question does not give you the left hand side and the right hand side, but he says that only simplify. So you have to believe what you simplify is correct as per trigonometric identities. We will do that in a minute, but we will solve one more question here, maybe question number 3. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, so Csc, cosecant square theta is equals to 1 over sine square theta cos square theta. So we take this side and we say that, okay, sec is, what is sec? You can see sec is 1 over cos. So I will write 1 over cos square theta. Cosecant, what is cosecant? You can see 1 over sine theta. So 1 over sine square theta. Right? Now we take the LCM, that will be equals to cos square theta and sine square theta. When we divide, cos square theta is gone, 1 will be multiplying by sine square theta. And when we divide here, sine square theta is gone, 1 will be multiplied with cos square theta. So we can use this identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So I have left over is cos square theta and sine square theta, which is same as my right hand side. Right? So multiplication is commutative, right? So you can write like this or you can write like this. You know that from the previous grades, right? 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 2 is also 6. So it doesn't matter which way you write, right? So this is equals to right hand side, and we say that my left hand side is equals to right hand side. And we proved that it's okay by trigonometric identities. So now we take another example, and now this time question is saying, question is not giving you the right hand side, but he's saying, question is saying simplify. Okay, I will write here simplify, right? Using trigonometric ratio, of course, right? So the question is tangent x divided by sine x. So now we have to simplify this, right? So we have to start, we have no right side here. So we have to simplify until we can use no more trigonometric identities. So here tangent can be written as sine x over cos x, sine x over cos x, right? Divided by sine x. You understand this point? Now, what we can say, this is in division, right? So it will flip the denominator. So next step will be, I can say that sine x over cos x, and this will be 1 over sine x. Sine x cancel. So what I have only 1 over cos x. If I have only 1 over cos x, what does it equals to? 1 over cos x is equals to secant theta. So my simplified answer for this trigonometric ratio is secant theta. So it was simple, but you have to make use of the same trigonometric ratio what we have learned the first day, right? So now we take another example. You can have tons of example in your textbook or anywhere you want to refer, right? So you have lots of examples, right? So next is tangent theta sine theta divided by cot theta. So he's not giving you here the right hand side, but he's saying just simplify whatever you can simplify, right, using these trigonometric identities. So we will start. So what we can write first? We can write tangent is sine theta over cos theta times sine theta, right, and divided by cot theta, divided by, this is division, right? So divided by cot theta. What is cot theta equals to? Cos theta over sine theta. So I write cos theta over sine theta, right? Now what is the next step? Now we can see that sine theta times sine theta will make it sine square theta. So I will write sine square theta, and denominator will same, which is cos theta. Now here is the division, and how we can convert division into multiplication. So if we convert division sign into multiplication sign, we have to flip the numerator with denominator and numerator with like vice versa. So we will say sine theta over cos theta, right? Sine theta over cos theta. What we have now on the top? On the top, like on the numerator, what we have? Sine squared theta times sine theta, which will comes out as sine cube theta, divided by cos squared theta. This is cos theta times cos theta, cos squared theta, right? So this is what you get by simplifying tangent theta sine theta over this, sine cube theta over cos squared theta. This is what you get, right? So in this way, you can solve several examples based on the same trigonometric identities. We will continue our lectures on solving trigonometric identities with some more complex examples, but in the next video, like part 3 or lecture 3. So hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button so that you can receive another video. Thumbs up, and thank you for watching.